Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of iMac upgrades with the DL4 Go replacement power supply PSU for iMac A1419 27-inch models. If you're like me and have an older iMac sitting around, you know how frustrating it can be when the power supply starts acting up. But fear not, because this replacement PSU might just be the solution you've been looking for. First off, let's talk compatibility. This PSU is designed to work with a range of iMac models, including the late 2012, late 2013, late 2014, mid-2015, and mid-2017 versions of the A1419 27-inch iMac. So whether you're rocking an older machine or a more recent one, chances are this PSU will fit the build point. One thing I appreciate about this replacement is the quality. Despite being a used OEM part, it's clear that DL4 Go has put in the effort to ensure that these PSUs meet their standards. From the sturdy construction to the high-quality components, it's clear that this replacement PSU is built to last. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with working on electronics. The dimensions match up with the original PSU, so you won't have any issues fitting it into your iMac. Plus, with a wattage output of 300 watts, you can trust that this PSU will deliver the power your iMac needs to keep running smoothly. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what about performance? Well, I'm happy to report that after installing this replacement PSU, my iMac was back up and running like new. No more random shutdowns or power issues, just smooth sailing from here on out. Overall, if you're in need of a replacement PSU for your iMac A1419 27-inch model, I highly recommend checking out the DL4 Go replacement power supply PSU. With its compatibility, quality construction, and reliable performance, it's truly a game changer for anyone looking to breathe new life into their trusty iMac. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.